Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Anna, how are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. Look at this picture, Anna, all right? They are at the beach wherein the boy is fishing, all right? What is the boy doing?
Swim.
Okay, so now at this point, all right? Now, can you swim, Anna? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now, how many fish are there?
2 feet.
Now, are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no? Yes or
No.
no? No. Okay, let's count, Anna. You say? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, there are 6
Six.
boys in the picture. All right. Now, what animal is this? It's an...
It's an elephant.
Okay, what word it starts with letter F?
Fruit.
Okay, very good. What can the kangaroo do?
Jump.
Okay, jump. So now, what are they?
They are insects.
Okay, so now, how many insects are there?
3 insects.
Okay, proceed for this one. Peter is at the shop, Anna. There are many fruits, and can you show me where is the banana? Okay, very good. How many apples are there?
2 apples.
Okay, very good. So let's proceed for this one, all right? What is the boys doing? What's the boys doing?
Sheep.
You say, what's the boys doing? Drinking or eating? You say, what's the boys doing? He is eating or drinking? You say? You say?
Eating.
Eating. All right. Now let's proceed for this one. Are there 4 cakes in the picture, Anna? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Now, how does the girl feel?
Happy.
She's happy. All right. What food do you like?
I like apple.
Okay. Now, at this point, Anna, how many oranges do you see?
1 orange.
All right. So that's all for tonight. Goodbye and thank you, Anna.
Goodbye.
All right.